Hey, do you have a bright idea?
Hey, we have went through, come over here to my toolbox. We've went through 20 different kinds of these things. Just lights so you can see better. I mean, this, you can tilt it and it holds right where it is. We've bought lights like this that are magnetic. They all have the same thing. The batteries just go dead in them all the time. Anyway, boy, you move this one, it turns off. Anyway, long and short, we went through so many things trying to find, when you're looking, how do you light up the area?
Have you seen the light? Yes! Yes! Jesus H. goddamn Christ! I have seen the light!
Saw this on the internet. If you are looking for something that's comfortable, that you can wear and you can work with, and you don't have to fumble around with your greasy fingers, turning the lights on. Is it working? Oh,
There it goes.
have to have it high enough. This thing's awesome. And then there's another button. I don't know, there's two of them, so I don't know which one's which. I just got it, so bear with me. Making a fool of myself right now.
Oh, Jesus.
So if you're going down, walking down the road, and you want to be not hit by a car, you can hit that. And then I want to turn on just the spotlight. Is that the spotlight?
That's
or
your
that's
headlight.
the whole thing again? Anyway, and then over here, I have to learn how to use it. Push the button, and you got a spotlight. There are two things. Works awesome. Anyway, if you're looking for a light, push this button here. When it turns yellow and red, then this works. Or you can just turn it on. And then this doesn't work.
There's your spotlight.
There's your spotlight. And it's bright, dim, off. So, you will see these on the internet for $30 each. I'm not getting paid. I'm not putting up a link. Look for them.
2 for $10.87.
Plus shipping.
$2 shipping.
Yep. So I bought 4 of them for 23 bucks.
But there is no brand, is there?
It's Cobb
Oh, yeah.
Headlight Night Buddy. 5 for $30 on eBay. They're worth every penny. They're rechargeable. Plug them into a USB in the wall. First impression, it's a bright idea. Anyway, just follow me. It's dark in here.
Dang.
Not really. You look at the shop. It just lights up the area that you're working. Awesome. Work over here. Guess what? Everything that you're seeing lit up. Panoramic. You're not just getting one spot.
I can't see you. You're like a minion.
Anyway, very much worth the money. Get one if you're working on shit that's in the dark. They are awesome. Chris, Legendary Custom, Legendary Tool Review, worth the money. Buy it. I'm out of here. Keep watching.